Welcome to hgreglux. Here we have a 2019 BMW 850i. This car came with a clean Carfax. In this video, I'll be showing you any dents, scratches, or any wear and tear to the car to the best of our knowledge. First, we'll be going panel by panel. Let's start with the front bumper. I would like you to know that there are some chips on the front of this car. Very small chips. There's one right here, another one on the sides, and also at the bottom of the bumper down there. Also, there are a few chips on the hood of the car as well. Let's move on to the rest of the car now. Scratching the fender right here. There's also another chip right there. And right here. Alright, I'm not seeing any other scratches or dents, and all four wheels are in excellent condition. They have no curb rash at all on them. Now let's have a look inside. Okay, the driver's side is in good condition. I'm not seeing any wear. Now let's have a look at the passenger side. Okay, everything here looks fine. Now that I'm inside, let's have a look at the rest of the interior. Excellent. I'm not seeing any wear and tear with the center console at all. Let's have a look at the steering wheel. The steering wheel looks very good. So the interior of this car is in excellent condition. Now we're going to have a look at the trunk. And last but not least, the engine bay. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to speak to one of our representatives.